welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Fiat 500 day, the pop. Trying to do a tiny bit of work on this, and yeah, straight into it. We can see that the headlight, the brackets have gone. So where, yeah, I mean the bumper was absolutely fine, but somehow it's knocked and broken the brackets on the headlight. So we're going to need to do that. But you can see that the wing is now on. No real issue with colour matching with the black, and I've also sprayed this side door here. We've got a tiny bit of paint overspray, but that will come out easily. And then I'm just going to slightly touch up those there with the touch-up pen rather than spray them. However, the brakes have come off. That was what was left of the front brake pad. Not good at all. So going to have to get some more brake pads, which isn't, too much of an issue. They're relatively cheap, nice and easy to fix as well. There was the other one, the other brake pad that actually had a bit more beef on it, but yeah, there was nothing left on that. So hopefully this car will drive a lot better with those. Still working on the roof. We're into our second go at this. It's so slow going, so I thought rather than speed it up, I'll show you just how long it takes to do each and individual one. Some of them seem to go quite easily, other ones are just more difficult. I've got a different rubber wheel as well. That's taken a while to get through these decals. The other one was better. This one was eBay, while the other one was Amazon, and I prefer the other one. It's a bit more hard working, but again, it just goes through batteries. So my drill's got 2 batteries, so this is why it's so slow going, because I have to charge them, and also it really heats up the motor on the drill, so you can't exactly just go and go. You probably need to leave the drill to cool down a bit. So I think I may have done just one line of this today. Nothing fantastic, but it will get there. Just got to be patient. Obviously, because it's the top, it's starting to get a bit more difficult as you aim towards the middle. And then just sped it up, because you saw this in this video and you've seen it in the last video, and I'm sure you get bored of it. Probably I won't show any more of this now. I'll get to the end and then you can see what it looks like. Completely missed one of these front, we'll call them bumper strips or rubbing strips. It was quite heavily scratched, so repainted and lacquered that as well, so that's come out quite nicely. I was thinking of doing the other one, just that they kind of match, but actually the other one's pretty nice as well, so didn't really feel the need to do that. Good colour match with the can, and the door is on as well now. That just went straight on with no adjustments at all. It works absolutely fine. Don't really need to do any adjusting. Opens, it's all good. And having connected everything up, window, door mirror, all the electrics work just fine as well. So there's a tiny little bit of paint chip towards the top that I'll have to fill in again when I sort of go around the car at the end with some touch up. However, I didn't see this. I think partly because it was dirty. Looks like a dog's kind of scratched at it. They've done some kind of cover up with a touch up pen. It's not worked, and I really don't know what I'm going to do here. I'm tempted to spray it, but I'm not really sure. haven't really done much spraying on a panel, and I don't know how far I need to go So I'm a bit wary about this. I think spraying is going to be the only way to deal with that, because touch-up's not probably really going to do anything. So that's it basically for this video. You can see that we'll just quickly go around the car. I've got the DRL brackets need replacing. The headlight brackets need replacing. We also need to bring those headlights back to some nice, good quality. Pretty much the passenger side is all good apart from the paint there, which I need to work on. On the top, we're nearly halfway through, so we're getting there. But no issues around the back there. There's this kind of, I don't even know what it is. It's small little dents that have been covered up again with some sort of touch-up paint, but they're little like, it's really weird to explain. They're just pebble dashed almost. And then we've got some paint problems here on the door, and finally the sill, which I'm not going to attempt at all. That will be going into a workshop. They can deal with that. How they deal with that, I don't know. The only thing I've done to keep the cost down is I've said that I will spray that, because it's at the bottom. I'm quite confident that I can spray that and that will look pretty good. So I just want them to literally just either fill it or pull it. And yeah. Inside, all pretty good. Again, it just requires pretty much a final clean at the end. Got to put on the armrests, give those a good clean as well. But inside is all good. And oh yeah, and I'm probably going to need to do the mats as well. Give those a decent clean. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty much done. It's, you know, top and tailing now. Fortunately, I now go to Scotland for a couple of weeks for work, so I'm not going to be able to deal with the black car anymore. Just a little heads up with the blue one, in case you're wondering, we've got the tailgate for the blue one. That needs to be put on, but that's quite complicated just because of the wiring and the various other loops and stuff that you've got to unplug and pull out and we put back in the new one. But that's being used as a daily driver at the moment. We've also got to put the alloys back on the front because the tyres are all done. So that's it. The two Fiat 500s that I'm working on, we're getting there, but there's going to be a bit of a pause again while I go away for work. So yeah, until next time, like, subscribe, and I'll see you all again very soon.